Well, the blizzard's over and all we got is a lot of wind right now. Drifted over where you can barely see the canoe. Had to run for Nani here. They went all the way to the bird feeder, but the drift's so thick and hard. It's like a rock. Can't get through it. Took me almost an hour and a half to get this little run for Nani in right here. Got a path to my vent so I can get that cleared out. Monster's waiting to play a little bit. Kind of sucks that we can't get the path in, but maybe tomorrow. Neighbors put that fence up last fall because when they moved in, they were afraid that Nani was going to jump the fence to get their little ankle biter, which is kind of funny. The big hump there, that's where the garden is, drifted over. I'm glad this thing is done. When you got a dog that's only 24 inches tall and over 30 inches of snow, makes it hard for her to come out and do her thing.